balance its budget. Local students reaching out tonight to help a friend whose life is in danger.
9-year-old Sharon Khan desperately needs a liver transplant.
We count it every day after we get back from recess.
Sharon Khan is the tiniest girl in her 4th grade class at Highland Creek Elementary. Autoimmune liver disease has stolen her energy and is slowly tearing down her body. She needs a liver transplant.
I've got a thing called a pager. It's like a little box, and it'll beep any minute of any day.
When it does, doctors will rush her to Cincinnati, Ohio.
I'll go to sleep, and they will take out my liver and they'll replace it with a new one.
Insurance won't cover all the expenses her family will face, so she asked her classmates for help.
I just got the whole class a couple weeks ago, and I told them what was going on with me, and they just understood it.
Her story launched a school-wide Lend a Hand for Sharon fundraising campaign.
If I was going through that, I would want as many people to contribute to.
Most kids are giving up their lunch money, their pocket change. Gable Brown gave his entire life savings.
Like an okay, like, wow sort of feeling.
100 hard-earned dollars. His parents, of course, very proud.
No, they didn't say how proud they were, but I knew. I knew they were proud from the look on their face.
In all, the school has collected more than $4,000.
They've been really supportive.
For a thankful, determined young girl who's inspired others to give big. Little Gable said, look, that money was just sitting around in my closet or in my drawer doing nothing. It was better to give it to my friend. The class who raises the most money gets an ice cream party. The school's also planning some other fundraisers. If you want to help, we put contact information on WBTV.com.
What a wise little boy.
Isn't that great?
He really represents himself very well.
You can imagine how proud his parents are.
Wonderful story. A joint effort between Charlotte Mecklenburg Schools and